Hello, this statement in this image I personally didn't uh, checked. I do not know if this is 100% correct. Okay, but I know this researcher, and this researcher is Scott Onstott, and I checked other things what he researched, and now when I speak about this image, I would say I believe him about this image, so I will make certain statements about this image. Okay, so I believe him. I didn't check this image. I do not know if this is correct. Okay. So we have on the left side Earth and the Moon. When we put it one to another, the distance between this point of the Moon and this point of the Earth can be one line of this, I would say, Pythagorean triangle, who have this right angle here. Okay, it is a special triangle because it have right angle here. Okay, one side is this, okay, and the one side or line can be this, the length between this point to this point of the Earth where we live in. Okay, and if we draw this line and this line using the dimensions of the Moon, Earth, and here Earth alone, we will get this line, or hypotenuse. I think it is said, you say it in English, and the hypotenuse is the number in mathematics called phi. Okay, number phi, and phi is 1.6 etc. Phi is 1.6 etc. Okay, you can get phi here if you of course do the ratio. If you do the ratio between this line here, and phi. Okay, this line of course is not 1.6 let's say meters or centimeters, but it is actually a phi. When you transmute this length here, these thousands of miles, into smaller number, let's say 1 point something. Okay, I do not know how Scott calculated this precisely, but as I said, I believe him and I think this is correct. Okay, so if you are interested in this, contact Scott McQuaid and ask him directly. Okay, I am not at this point interested in this particular image. Okay, but I believe this is correct. Okay, so we have this line is number phi. It is interesting. So what a coincidence that if we have Earth here and if we have Earth and Moon here, we will get phi, and that is 99.9% correct. It is almost 100% correct. Okay, incredible coincidence. Okay, so we can reasonably say it is not a coincidence. Okay, we can say it is coincidence reasonably, but also we can reasonably say it is not coincidence. Okay, and I will stop speaking about this image at this point. Okay, So I want now to say one important point. Okay, if you believe the NASA and the astronomy, this image is correct. Okay, this is phi, this is moon and earth, this is earth's diameter. Okay, so if NASA and official astronomy in 21st century, now in 2015, is speaking to us the truth about the diameter of the earth, and if astronomy is telling us the truth about the place where we live in, this image is correct, and we can find the number phi here, okay, in this triangle, and we can draw this we can draw this triangle, okay, if we believe the astronomy, okay, the astronomy and the NASA agency, okay. But if you do not believe astronomy and you believe in the concave earth theory, for example, if you are not sure if NASA is speaking the truth, and if you are at the point that you want to prove and defend and prove the concave earth theory, this is not correct, okay, because we need firstly to disprove the concave earth theory, okay. Concave earth theory now in 21st century, in 2015, is not yet disproven, okay. First someone needs to disprove the concave earth theory, and then the official theory in the science will be the NASA, the astronomy science theory of the space, okay. But now we have a problem, and the problem is called concave earth theory. We do not know if the concave earth theory is false. Now we are in process. If you want to think normally, now we are in process, in need to disprove the concave earth theory, okay. In 20th century, we all believed we didn't have the problem with concave earth theory. We have a little problem. It was the little problem, okay. But now the concave earth theory in 21st century is getting bigger, and is getting more audience, and the time is and the time will show that someone will try, and maybe he will succeed to disprove that theory and to defend the official astronomy and NASA theory of the space, okay. So that I wanted to say to you. So this image about the number phi is correct if the official astronomy is correct, okay. So I wanted to say to you that, and thank you for watching. Thank you for considering this material.